Video number 13. Do more with Google My Business. To get the most out of your GMB account, you also need to be aware of additional Google features that work in tandem with your listing. Taking advantage of some of these features can help your brand stand out from the local competition. In this video, we share how one can use Google Local Guides, Google Maps, and Local 3-Pack to rank higher on the search engine. 1. Google Local Guides. Google Local Guides is a global community of the top reviewers on Google. Think of it as Google's version of Yelp Elite. The more reviews a user writes and posts on Google, the more benefits he or she enjoys. If you get a review from a Google Local Guide, it's more likely to show up at the top of your reviews when a user clicks on your GMB listing. That may be because Google gives special preference to Google Local Guide reviews, or simply because these reviews tend to be longer and include photos. Benefits of the Local Guides program include special badges and levels, access to a monthly newsletter, invites to members-only contests, the ability to join hangouts with worldwide tastemakers, connoisseurs, and Googlers, eligibility to test new Google products and services before public release, invites to exclusive events, parties, and meetups, and annual thank you gifts for high-quality contributions to Google Maps. What is Google Local, Google Places, and Google+? These are the old names or brands Google used to refer to its services for businesses looking to manage their business information on Google. If you previously used Google Local, Google Places for Business, Google Plus Local, or Google Plus Pages Dashboard to manage your business information, your account has been automatically upgraded to Google My Business. Add your business on Google Maps. If a business you own or manage isn't appearing in Google Maps, you can add and claim your business listing using Google My Business. Once you've verified your business, you can edit business information like address, map location, contact information, category, and photos. As a Google user, you can also fix someone else's local business. You can suggest an edit, report the error, or add a missing place in Google Maps. If someone else's business is missing from Google Maps, you can add a missing place. The Local 3-Pack. One of the most prominent and sought-after positions in Google's local search results is the Google Maps Pack. Also commonly known as the Local Pack or the 3-Pack, Google Maps Pack is a set of 3 highlighted Google Maps-based results. It used to be 7, featuring the most highly ranked businesses based on the factors that determine local ranking, reviews, local citations, etc. Up to 3 businesses are featured in Google Maps Pack results, but sometimes you'll see a sponsored result displayed alongside or above the 3 organic ones. The Local Pack or 3-Pack is also displayed above traditional text-only or links-based search results, making it one of the most valuable pieces of online real estate across any platform. How to get your locations in the Local 3-Pack. Locations that don't have at least 4 stars won't show up in the Local 3-Pack, but it's not enough to have high aggregate ratings. You'll also want to have a steady influx of reviews. Recency is a significant factor. Have positive sentiment in the text of the review itself. Have many total reviews. In addition to the trust factor, this allows your business to rank for long-tail keywords based on what your reviews are talking about in the text of the review. If you're still struggling to appear in the Local 3-Pack, here's a quick checklist to help you determine if your GMB listing is on point. Use your actual business name. Don't stuff it with keywords or your city name. Correct inaccuracies or errors in your data and get rid of any duplicate listings. Be as detailed as possible when entering your business information. Include your business name, category, map location and service area, phone number, website URL, hours of operation, etc. Write original and compelling copy for your Google My Business description. Avoid address variations, meaning if your location is at 72 Southwest Road, then stick to that way of spelling it instead of using, say, 72 SW-RD or 72 Southwest Street. Use a local number instead of a toll-free number. Manage and respond to all your Google reviews. Upload high-quality photos to enhance the visual appeal of your listing. These may appear in search results too. At all times, make sure your information on GMB is correct, complete, and up to date. Remember, business listings that have been claimed and are regularly updated on Google My Business, and which also boast strong reviews and ratings, are the ones most likely to rank at the top of local search and be featured in the Google Maps pack. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.